Yeah, today is this month. May is the month of Child Month. So, this is like giving concern to kids. And I will go back and talk a lot of things that I've seen that I never expect or coming to the view of the peoples as being a symbol or just being getting the attention. Sometimes it's all mind over matter. That's the concept I deal with, and educating the babes, civilization. I would not never think to take advantage of young kids that's under 12 years old. Sometimes, I'm like a deity, put it in that perspective. Sometimes you have girls sitting on my lap here, and they go down here. Sometimes they move so much that I be started getting an erection. I will move them. And little boys do the same thing. And I'll move them, put them on my lap proper. I got a high self-esteem doing these things because it's the proper way. You got some men will see girls doing it and allow them to do it, or little boys, and make it look like that's the right way and saying it's love. Being around young females, a lot of them have sex on their mind. It's curiosity. That's human nature. I was young myself, so we're not going to go into real hardcore talk and make it look like it's the worst thing. I mean, it's bad, wrong is wrong. But it's power comes responsibility. Because I've seen a lot of dilemma out there, a lot of traps, predicaments, that if I do have sex with these young girls, it's okay, but it's not okay. It's just going to put me in predicament to some get me into the same sex activity. But I never did it before, and I don't think don't do it since I become a popular individual. Don't want to be going on history like the Catholic priests. I don't want to be close to those people. So I remain myself in my own orbit. But just to show respect, as far as the teenagers, I can't really say no for teen, because I was a teen too. And I was in high school, a lot of girls want boys out of school. That's just a natural thing. And some want boys in school. So I can't go for that. It's up to the educational family also. And no matter how you teach girls or boys, they're going to do what they're doing. But teaching girls and boys into same-sex activity, I don't think that's right. Because I never involved in it. My parents never taught me that. And I became somebody as famous and well-known through the telecommunication network. So it's all up in your mind and what you feel, though. You could be proud of yourself and be what you want, but you gotta protect the babies. Because you have some men, they're just pre-little kids. They just pre them and just feel it's okay and make it into love. And it's not love. That's just taking somebody's characteristics and making them into something that they didn't want to be. You have to allow them, let them grow. So that I would say, as I used to write, rhetoric, voice, outcry for babies, save the babe. Because that's what we deal with. The future is the babies. Civilize them. Knowledge, wisdom, understanding. Love, peace, and happiness. So for the month of May, and the viewers out there, take control. Mind over matter. You ever call a little girl come around you, that don't mean you're going to just bring it to them and bring them into sex and take advantage of them. I give girls money free. Sometimes when I don't talk about sex, they get mad at me because this is what they expect. But I can't even give them money because that's just me. I don't have to give you money to talk sex. But this is what the mentality of these young girls, this is what the system or people make them think it's okay to just get money. And if you're nice to them, they don't like you no more because you're not talking sex. So this is the mentality of a lot of them. Little boys too. So each one teach one. Good parenting and your friendship, socialize who you hang with. I guess that's about that. That's about it today.